Hello students, let's see some more arithmetic instructions. BCD arithmetic instructions. You know BCD means binary coded decimal. Okay, so sometimes when you use this add with carry instructions, the addition performed internally is binary addition and the result will be in binary. But sometimes you may require the results in decimal. You give the input as a BCD input, binary coded decimal, like decimal input you give, and you want the result in decimal. Okay, so to adjust, but internally the processor can perform the addition arithmetic in binary only, so the result will be in binary. So there are some instructions which are used to convert this result, binary result, to BCD. Okay, so such instructions are: the first one is DAA, that is decimal adjust AL after BCD addition. Decimal adjust after addition. Here there are no operands. Here it is that the result must be in AL register. The operand must be in AL register. So after arithmetic instruction, add instruction, okay, the result must be in AL, and this instruction will convert the result which is there in AL register to decimal adjustment, decimal number. Okay, uh, before this, like a BCD, you have a two types, like a BCD we call, in a byte you can have one digit, one decimal digit, or a byte can be used which can represent two decimal numbers. Like if suppose 05, this is a unpacked BCD we call, unpacked BCD, because here one byte is used to represent one decimal digit. Okay, decimal digits means from 0 to 9, you know, binary coded decimal. Okay, 0 to 9, only from 0 to 9. So 5, it is represented using one byte. If it is represented using one byte, then this is unpacked BCD. Okay, we can represent two decimal digits using one byte, that is packed BCD we call. Like if I can represent 25, that means higher nibble will represent one digit and lower nibble will represent another decimal digit. So this is packed BCD. Okay, so this is packed BCD. So we'll see about this decimal adjust after addition. Okay, so here how this instruction is used, let us suppose we have in AL one number. Okay, then I say another number you take T5H, then add these two. If I say add AL BL, so what is that undergoes when this is executed, this instruction is executed, 56 is added with 45. Okay, internally addition will be in binary, so the result will be this one. Okay, so the result is here 9B in hexadecimal. Okay, but I want the result in decimal. That means I want, if you add decimal numbers, what will be the result? Okay, it is 101. So I want the result in decimal. So to get the result in equivalent decimal, I can use this DAA instruction after add. So after this, if I put DAA instruction, AL, this will adjust, this instruction will adjust, AL contents will become 01 and carry flag will be equal to 1. So together it is decimal 101, which is the decimal equivalent. Okay, so this instruction will, DAA instruction will adjust the decimal binary result which is there in AL to its equivalent decimal result and keeps the result in AL register. Okay, so this is about decimal adjust after addition. Okay, so how it performs actually in if you take in 8085 processor, there is no DAA instruction. So for that you need to write a program to convert this number to decimal equivalent. What it does is, see this binary, so to the lower nibble, if it is greater than 9, or there is a carry from this nibble to this one, then 6 is added to this particular nibble, lower nibble. So if you add 6 to this nibble, what will be the result? A carry is there here. So 0, this is 1. So you got the result, decimal result 1. Okay, so for higher nibble, the processor will check, because this all happens internally when decimal adjust after addition. This instruction is executed. What internally happens is the processor will check for the lower nibble in AL register. If it is greater than 9, or there is a carry from this lower nibble to higher nibble, then it adds 6 to this lower nibble, so that to adjust it to equivalent decimal. Then higher nibble also, if it is greater than 9 or there is a carry out of this, then 6 is also added here to the higher nibble, or you can say 60 is added. Okay, so here 6 is added to this also, and the result becomes carry flag is equal to 1. There is a carry. So this is the result which comes after the execution of DAA instruction. You got the same result which is required in decimal. Okay, so this is how this instruction works. Okay, so if suppose let us write a small program to convert a word, that means 2 bytes. 2 bytes of data are added, words, 2 words are added, and result you want to adjust the result to its equivalent decimal result. So let us suppose take one number, any number, decimal number, which is 16-bit. Here 2 packed BCD numbers are taken. Okay, 53 and 14, 53. Then take another number which is a word. Okay, so if I want to add these two and convert, I want the result as decimal result, then what you need to do? You cannot just add these two as it is, because the decimal adjust DAA instruction will work on only 8-bit data. So you need to add first these two numbers, then along with the carry you need to add these two numbers, adjust this to decimal, then along with carry add these two numbers and adjust this to decimal. And one more condition is the number should be in AL register. The result should be in AL register. So you take one number to AL register. So move AL with 53H. Sorry, DL. This is there in DL register, isn't it? DL. Then add AL, and it should be added with BL. So BL. So these two are added. Now this addition is performed in binary internally. So you want the result in decimal. So use an instruction DAA. This will adjust the result to its equivalent decimal. So decimal equivalent is there in AL register. You need to save this because again you want AL register to add these two numbers. So save this number in some other register. You move this contents of AL register to some other register. So move the partial result which is there in AL register to CL. CL is free. We have not used here CL. So CL register. Now add these two bytes, higher bytes. Okay. So for that again move AL with DH, higher byte of DX register DH. Okay. Then add. Now it is add with carry because there may be carry from here. So add with carry this AL, that is DH contents this 14 with BH. Now these two are added. Adjust this to decimal DAA. Okay, adjusted. Now the result will be in AL register. So move that to AL to CH. Now CH CL, that means CX register is holding the decimal result, isn't it? This is holding the 16-bit decimal result. Okay, and one more bit is there, that is carry flag. Even carry flag, if it is set, that will also include in the result. Okay, so this is how the program you write to convert this to perform addition, the decimal addition of two 16-bit numbers. Okay, that means 4-digit decimal addition you can perform using this program. So this is how it is used. DAA instruction is used. In the same way you have DAS, that is decimal adjust after subtraction. The same you can say, like after subtraction you want to subtract two decimal numbers are subtracted and you want the result in decimal, then I can subtract AL BL. So what this instruction will do, binary subtraction is performed, AL minus BL is performed, isn't it? Okay, and the result will be in binary, but I want the result in decimal. Okay, so I have to use this instruction DAS after this. Okay, so the result which is there in AL, this will be adjusted to the decimal equivalent. So these are the two BCD arithmetic instructions. Okay, now let's see ASCII instructions, arithmetic instructions in the next video.